welcome back. So today is Sunday and I have lots of food to prepare for the week. My house is also a disaster and I need to clean it up. I'm not sure if I'm going to film that part, but I'm definitely filming all of the food, just prepping for the week, getting things started just to make it easier for myself. I have two boys. I have an almost 3-year-old and a 5-month-old boy. So the more easier I can make it for myself for during the week, the better. So today is Sunday. My husband is home, thankfully, so he's able to help me a lot with the boys while I get some things done. Here's my... He's naked. I know, but he's just my 3-year-old. Come on, buddy.
Say my son's here.
What did you say?
Say Michael's here.
Oh, Michael's here, guys. This is my son, Michael. He's a little naked right now, guys, because that's what boys do. They're just naked all the time. I'm surprised this one's not naked right now.
If I could, I would be.
And this is my 5-month-old Adam, who's teething right now. Hi, Adam. Oh my gosh, crazy boy. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. We have lots of work to do today. Today we're starting off with some pancakes. I'm making some banana and egg pancakes. This is for my son Michael, and then I add a little bit of cinnamon to this. I'm not going to film the whole process of this because you guys have seen me make this thousands of times. But this is going to be breakfast just for a couple of days for him. Alright, so I have my hard-boiled eggs going, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. And then cover this for about 10 minutes. And then here I have some oatmeal. I have some, what are these called? Steel cut oats with almond milk. So I'm just putting that on low right now and letting it cook until they're done. And over here I have the banana and egg pancakes, which these are almost done. And then I gotta finish my batch. Got some milk right here for Adam for tomorrow. And then I have a freezer meal. This is Crock-Pot Buffalo Ranch Chicken. I'm actually going to throw this in the crock-pot for tomorrow to have for dinner. And then I also have these chorizo and potato burritos. And these I'm actually going to have my husband take to work this week. There's 5 of them. And he's going to take most of these to work for lunch this week. So that's a nice meal prep that I don't even have to worry about anymore. Okay, so the next thing I'm making is a potato hash for the week. This is going to be for breakfast, so I'm making potatoes. I'll need some zucchini. I have like Italian zucchini and like Mexican zucchini. I have mushrooms. For spices, I have chili pepper flakes, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And paprika. Those are the only things we're putting on there. And this is going to be for breakfast for my husband to take to work. And then if there's leftovers, then we'll have it for breakfast as well. Forgot to say the recipe also calls for beans, so I have some pinto beans right here. I have about probably like a can, like a 16-ounce can of pinto beans right there. So those are going to go into the recipe as well. In the oven. The oven is preheated for 425, and then I'm going to put them in there for about 25 minutes. And then I cut up all my veggies. Let me show you guys. So I cut up all the mushrooms. I ended up doing all of the zucchinis. And then my beans. I figured that if I have leftover veggies, then we can just use this throughout the week, like eat it for lunch or for adding more for breakfast or something like that. So anyways, those will definitely not go to waste. I'm just gonna add all of the spices and then throw these in the oven as well. too. These are eggs from last week, and I'm just adding them to the top of this, so I use those first. But guys, do you guys remember, if you guys watched a video of mine a while back about me making some eggs, they looked horrendous. Like literally they looked like little mozzarella balls. But look at them now, they look so pretty. Oh my gosh. There's like a couple of the ones that have something like this, but for the most part, so pretty. I love them. I don't know what happened. I don't know what I'm doing different, but now they're coming out pretty good, and I'm pretty happy with myself. My oatmeal is ready too. So while things are getting cooked, I looked in my refrigerator and I found these green beans that are kind of old. So I just went ahead and washed them. I'm going to cut the ends and I'm going to freeze them. I used to just go ahead and blanch and then freeze. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to see if they taste any different. I know you're supposed to, like, to kill off any bacteria that's on there. But I've read a lot of things online that sometimes it just doesn't matter. Like, if they taste exactly the same, they have the same exact nutrients. So we'll see. I'm going to try this time, and I'm going to put on my bag, like, not blanch. And then we'll see how I like them. So in the future, I know whether I should blanch or not blanch them. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys blanch your vegetables before you guys freeze them? For those of you that don't know what blanching is, basically is you kind of cooked your vegetables, but not too much. Like, you kind of pre-cook them for just a couple of minutes just to kill off any bacteria. And when I mean a couple of minutes, I mean like 2-3 minutes tops. And you kind of just let them boil in hot water for a little bit, and then you go ahead and freeze them. Let me know what you guys do. Do you guys blanch or don't blanch? Cheese, and what I'm gonna do with this, it's a really small loaf, it's only like 2 pounds I think. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna slice it, and I'm gonna make little like mozzarella, like string cheese. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go ahead and freeze them. I think this block was like $4 or $5, and then I just make a ton of little string cheeses and freeze them for snacks when we're at home, and they save us a lot of money. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that. So all of this is ready for the freezer. I got my green beans that are not blanched. I got all kinds of mozzarella little sticks. And then this bag that's going to go in the refrigerator for us to snack on this week. And then yeah, all of this is going into the freezer for now. The potatoes are all done. I threw them in this bowl along with all the vegetables and mixed it all up. So this is ready. I'm just going to need to let it cool down and then put it in separate bowls for breakfast this week. And then the rest of the veggies are right here. And then also I'm going to let these cool down, and then I'm going to throw them in a container for us to have as sides for the week. These smell really good. I was actually thinking that for the potatoes, I could also put some cheese on the top, and that would probably taste really good. So I might do that too for him. So this is what the potato hash looks like. So there's potatoes, zucchini, beans, mushrooms. It tastes pretty good. There's a piece of foil right there. We don't want to eat that. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Still have a couple more things to do, but I'm going to call this a day for today because I've gotten a lot done. And it's 3 o'clock, and we're going over to my in-laws to get in the pool and barbecue for a little bit. So I'm going to call it a day. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it gave you some motivation to do some things in your house just to, you know, prepare for the week and make it hopefully a little bit more productive. Anyways, with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.